Is Animal Crossing New Leaf a forgotten gem or a frustrating relic? Let's find out in 90 seconds. First, booting it up, you're greeted by a charming train ride. But choose your town layout wisely. This decision is permanent without save editing tools. Early gameplay involves lots of town chores given by Isabelle, the adorable secretary, like planting trees, catching bugs, and fishing to pay off your home loan. This can feel slow and repetitive for some. However, the island unlocks relatively early, offering unique bugs, fish, and mini-games for medals, which can be exchanged for rare items. This spices things up considerably. One of New Leaf's strengths is customization. From your house interior and exterior to your character's clothing, there's tons of options to express yourself and create your dream town. As mayor, you can also enact ordinances to change town behavior and fund public works projects like bridges, benches, and streetlights to improve your town. The villagers themselves are a mixed bag. They're cute, but their dialogue can become repetitive, and villagers moving in and out randomly can be frustrating, especially if your favorite moves away. Also consider this game came out in 2013, so prepare for the older graphics and user interface. Without online guides, the game also struggles in teaching mechanics, so expect to do external research online. Ultimately, Animal Crossing New Leaf is worth it if you enjoy slow-paced, creative gameplay and don't mind a few dated mechanics. It's packed with charm and offers hours of relaxing fun if you let it.